we're at some little playground place in, what's the lighthouse called? Portsmouth, the Porthouse Lighthouse. It's a famous lighthouse that we're here to check out. So we're stopped and we played at the playground first.
Yeah.
And we got some local beta to park by some big garages, and then we don't have to pay to park, which was really great. So we're gonna walk over to the lighthouse. We played at the playground, having a little picnic, and then we're going to try to find somewhere to stay tonight. But first, we're gonna go explore more lighthouses.
You got one.
So Annie McGuire had a shipwreck here. She crashed into the rocks on Christmas Eve, and then somebody decided we need to make a light so that ships can see it and that they won't crash anymore. So somebody built a big house and put a light on the top, and then the next time somebody drove by on the boat, they didn't crash.
Lighthouse.
Yeah, they made a lighthouse.
No, tell me it.
Oh, tell it again? Okay.
So we just came from checking out Portsmouth Lighthouse, and we talked to a few locals trying to figure out some information on where we should stay for the night with the RV. And every time we talk to somebody, everybody's like, why don't you stay at Walmart? So we decided, you know what, let's save some money and let's check out what all the hype's about. I got the solar charger set up behind me, so RV's getting a nice free top up from the sun. And Walmart's right there, so once the girls go to sleep, one of us could actually go and get some shopping done, because in the States Walmart's open till midnight. So let's see what the hype's about camping at Walmart tonight.
Today we Walmart camping. It's not so fun, but I love it. Best day ever.
Okay.
Now your turn.
Okay. So we survived the night at Walmart. We had our own little camper van party, I guess you would say. There's probably 5 or 6 other people.
It was the best day ever.
Well, there you go. So it doesn't matter where we camp, but camp, park, anywhere is the best day ever with these guys, which is great. So it doesn't make us feel so bad when we end up in a Walmart parking lot.
We're continuing our lighthouse tour here in Maine. It's day 7, and we're on our way to check out the Owl's Head Lighthouse. But before we do, the girls are gonna play with some bubbles.
We're going up the ramp to check out Owl's Head Lighthouse.
Are you excited to go inside of it?
Yep.
Okay.
Very, very ice cream excited.
Okay, well, let's go.
Let's go. Here's the ramp.
You lead the way. Go.
Up the ramp we go. Up the ramp we go. Then we go to the up the hi ho hi ho hi ho. We're going to the ramp hi ho hi ho. We're going to the ramp hi ho.
Okay, so which one do you think was the very first light that they used? Or which one do you think is the oldest light?
This one.
Which one, Ivy?
This one.
What color?
Red.
Do you think the red one? Which one do you think, Lux?
This one.
You think that one? Yeah, don't touch, just look.
I think that one.
You think that one's the oldest?
Yeah.
Okay, and which one do you think is the newest?
This one.
That one? Remember not to touch. That one maybe, yeah. After 2 days of checking out lighthouses, we headed to Maguntacook Campground to give the girls a rest and a swim in their pool.